How to add Snapchat ID on Instagram bio. So the steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, open Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat like this now tap on your profile. After you open your profile like this now, tap on this share button. After you tap on the share button, now as you can see now, here is now my ID. My username is my ID. Here is it now. My username is my ID, Hakeem Aliyu YY. So tap on this copy. Now I copy my ID. Now close your Instagram, your Snapchat, go to Instagram. After you open Instagram, go to this profile. In this section, go to this edit profile. Scroll to down, go to add links. Go to add external link. In this section now go ahead and paste in your link. So as you can see now, here is the link. Now go and delete all the character behind. So you can only leave your username at the end. So as you can see now, here is my username at the end, Hakeem Aliyu. So in this section now, type in Snapchat. So tap on the save button. So now go back. So as you can see now, here is now my Snapchat ID. Hope this video helps you on how to add Snapchat ID on Instagram bio. Please like and subscribe.